my dinner! You...
Oh, hungry.
His tummy sounds angry, Daddy.
Yeah, that's his stomach eating itself.
Oh my god, I think that was my gut. Oh my god, this is just like Hideki. If we listen to it, we'll get rich. Do you really think it could work? I think someone does. They need to be together. What's that?
Need an investor?
Oh my god, we're really doing this!
I know, it's really gonna happen.
And the best part is we'll be
Equal partners.
with only a verbal contract based on trust.
But more is necessary among friends.
Now I'm gonna do a stomach count. When I call your name, please respond. Jenkins? Robertson?
Can you keep your stomach quiet, Dag?
I'm hungry.
Jeez, I'm starving. I have not eaten all day.
What the?
Eddie! It sounds like the howl of a werewolf from the belly of Hades!
Get off of me! That's your belly!
Oh. I'm hungry.
Getting hungry.
Folks, we have a minor situation going on in the kitchen.
Where's our food? I'm so hungry.
This is my only lunch hour.
Where's...
Be there in 45 minutes.
I don't have 45 minutes.
Half an hour. Fine, if I run the red lights, like 15 minutes.
That is acceptable.
You can't even feed yourself. How are you gonna feed a bunch of ducks?
Good point. I don't think I've fed them at all yet. Have you?
3 corn dogs! That's right, I said corn dogs! And make it snappy!
My beast is starving.
I'm starving.
So hungry.
I gotta get something to eat.
Ooh, yes, I'm hungry. Seeing I haven't eaten in a week.
But I'm also hungry.
Oh, it's my tummy.
My tummy's talking.
I'm hungry. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty.
Well, I better eat something pronto. Would you like that, Tum Tum?
We're going for eating burger.
Yeah.
Not in public.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
Been known to lie, but this here's a true story. Sometimes makes strange bedfellows. That's where Ren, Hope, and Stimpy come in.
That's what?
That's it, I'm getting us some food.
But we don't have...
Jack, Captain Knuckles don't need money.
That's a good idea, Spunky. Let's check the kitchen again. Maybe we'll find something there this time.
It's my tummy. That usually means I'm hungry. What was that?
I must be hungry.
Food. Food!
Bye!
Hey, Adam, where's our lunch?
Oh, I already ate it.
Or he sold it.
Okay. Shut up. I'm hungry too. Okay, I'm going.
Shut up, we're almost there. Dude, shut your stomach up. It's not my stomach, it's your stomach.
Boys, can we hurry this up? My stomach is growling.
Such bullshit.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
Go, 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 go.
I had 6 of them.
Oh, come on, Tummy. Not now.
Is that your stomach? Ugh. You know what that means? Snack time!
Gamma radiation can take it out of you. But I have a strange urge for...
Fine.
Then why is your stomach rumbling?
Wait a minute.
Oh, my tummy's telling me something.
Mine too, bro.
My digestive fluids also wish to relay the messages.
Shh, quiet. I want to hear what they're saying.
What'd they say, Mama?
They're saying...
Listening to all those stomach rumblings made me hungry.
And a special shout out too.
Core to in development. Until then.
I love ham! I love jam! I love biscuits with honey!